Hey everybody, I missed you on Sunday. Had some business to do, so I wasn't able to do a weekly video. I'm going to do a video special deal on Larimar. This is Larimar. It is also technically known as blue pectolite. The only place this is mined, and as far as I know, has been found is in the Dominican Republic. And it is quite a beautiful stone. It's also known as a gemstone of the Caribbean. And it can be very expensive, especially in beads, because beads is a lot of stones in beads. And what I have today, I have what's known as Tumble. This is Larimar Tumble. That means they've been tumbled. And because they're not shaped, they're just odd shaped. Some people call them chips. They're a little better quality than chips, so we're going to call them Tumble. They're 16-inch strands, and we're going to do them for $20 a strand. That's right, just $20 a strand. Normally I would have more things on our deal, but I've got a lot of inventory that just arrived that we've got to put into stock, and we'll be doing a video of that inventory and putting it up online so those people that are not local will be able to go and come in and we'll be able to order online. And I'll try to do my best on the pictures and the video. As always, the video is usually best for color. The color in this is absolutely correct. So if you want some Larimar and don't want to pay a lot of money, this would be really good for you at only 20 bucks a strand. And if you like our videos, please subscribe. We'd greatly appreciate that. It makes me want to do more videos the more subscribers I have, and we're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. Well, that's all I've got for you for today. You guys have a great day, and we'll probably do another video tomorrow on the other inventory that we have. And plus, I know we did a video on the hematite. I think it was last week. It should be in stock tomorrow, maybe today, and we'll do a video, because if you want spacers, and I know a lot of people do ask about spacers, and you don't want to pay a lot of money as in sterling silver spacers, this is a great alternative. It's hematite with a coating, and the coating is in different colors, and the coating is permanent, and we have gold, silver, and lots of other colors. So that's all I got for you today. You guys have a great day.